KiHiVE, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video because I know you're interested in what I have to say today. If you haven't done so already, I'm going to need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below to become a part of the KiHiVE. And hello to all the subscribers. Thanks so much for joining, and let's get right into today's video. Alright, so today I'm just going to be showing you a quick and easy way to do some box braids. I did the rubber band method, and if you don't know what this method is, it's just basically putting a rubber band at your roots to help grip it and make it tight, thus making it easier to install the box braids. And I've seen this method all around YouTube for a while now, and I was like, let me give it a try and see if it really is easier. And guess what, y'all, it's so easy. It only took me about 3 hours to do the entire process, which I'm super excited because guess what, I'm about to be rocking box braids all summer just because of this technique. So if you're interested, keep on watching to see how I got this look. Alright, so you're gonna need a spray bottle filled with water, some gel, I'm using the Main Choice Stubborn Edges gel, some butter using the hair dressing, and I have triple Remy Yaki braid and 1B27 ombre, and it's pre-stretched, which is going to make this a lot easier. I also have these elastic bands. These are better than the black ones because they don't break your hair. They actually break before you get them in your head. So I have my hair already sectioned into little boxes. They're medium size. I think I have about, I don't know, maybe 38 braids in my head. I didn't really count, but they're bigger than your average box braid. So first you're just going to take a section, spritz that with water to get it pliable. Then we're going to work that water into our head. I'm going to take some of the daily hair dressing and apply that to the section to kind of get all that water sealed in. And then we're going to take some of the freezing gel and apply that to the roots and the length of our hair, just so our hair can stay snug up in the braid, because you don't want the hair popping out. That's not cute at all. They're going to be taking one of the elastic bands. Again, my hair is thick, so these rubber bands broke when I was trying to put them on my head. So if you have thick hair like mine, you're probably going to have to use more than one because it's crazy. So you're going to take about an inch size section of hair, and then you're going to start braiding it on down. So we're going to take the section of hair, well, darn it, you're going to take your real hair and make a third section. Then you're going to braid it on down. And once you run out of hair from once you run out of the real hair, you're just going to add it into a section of the neckline hair. You're just going to keep braiding. This hair is really long. It came all the way down to my waist. You're just going to keep braiding all the way down to get to the end. And this is what it looks like. Since it's pre-stretched, it already narrows out for you at the end, and I already have half of my head done. So once I'm done, this is what it looks like. Big sections, not too long, and it's definitely not heavy at all because I only used about 3 packs of hair total, which was great. See, I got big sections in the back, and this is what it's looking like, and I hope you enjoyed. Yes, look at me. Alright, so that is how I got this look. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it in. I'm gonna try to keep it in for like 3 weeks, maybe a month, just to give my hair a break from styling it. I am going to try to do the rice water treatments while this is in my hair, and I'll let you all know in an update video how that works. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe, because you know I be coming with the heat with these videos. We here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.